So we're gonna do an unboxing and just try out this grill and see what it's like and try to cook something on it and see how well it does. So I got this grill for about $36 on eBay, so not very expensive at all. It's the brand is Char-Broil. I think that's a major brand for grills. So I think this kind of grill is good because you can do it with tailgating. If you go anywhere, like you go to a park or anywhere, you can bring it with you and use it for, it's portable, you know. So not the biggest grill, I mean this is the grate, but still, you know, I'm sure you could cook some hot dogs and hamburgers and sausages and things on this. So you can snap it up like that, and then it's portable. You can carry the grill, and you put the leg down, and take the lid off. You got your grill. Alright, I'm gonna light it up and let it burn for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna put some steaks and veggies on it. There's a hole underneath here that you're supposed to be able to light the gas with. It's a little bit tricky to light. Of course the flame keeps going out, so that's probably why. Alright, it is lit. Alright, the grill is primed and ready, and we're ready to put the steaks on. Some steaks and some veggies. Oh, it's cooking pretty good. Some steaks. They're getting nice and cooked.
I think it's a bad thing.
There is a grease fire. Oh, you burn the steak though.
No, it might char the outside. It's actually kind of very...
Oh, man. You're getting all the action now. Live action grilling.
I think the steak is probably getting close to being customized.
Yeah. That is a lot of burnt stuff right there.
That is.
Check out this steak. Mmm.
Tastes good.
Yummy. Mmm. Yeah. That's good. Real good.